new just listed home, 10161 45th Way South, apartment 499, Boynton Beach, Florida, by Justin Levins and Sarah, nearing from the military veteran team. This beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 1,238 square feet offers a lot of opportunities. The open layout features modern finishes. The space of living room is very cozy furniture, including plush, comfortable seating that invites you to sit down and relax. The kitchen is perfect. The space has been thoughtfully laid out to be very comfortable for cooking. It comes well equipped with all the necessary modern appliances. The home plan includes 2 comfortable bedrooms, a spacious and cozy master bedroom with a full ensuite bathroom and a relaxing bathtub. A second large and spacious bedroom is served by another full bathroom, which features a modern shower. Outside your door, the community offers 3 pools, bocce, pickleball, tennis, numerous clubs, and weekly social events ensuring an active lifestyle and new friendships. Contact us and make it yours.